Toilet flange sitting too high above the floor or toilet can mess up your bathroom's vibe and cause leaks or wobbling, so fixing it right is key. Alright, so first off, if your toilet flange is above the finished floor level, don't freak out. This happens more than you think. You want to check exactly how much higher it is, because that'll tell you what you gotta do next. If it's just a bit, like less than a ½ inch, you might be able to use a thicker wax ring designed for taller flanges. For bigger gaps, you'll probably need a flange extender kit. Those stack on top and bring the flange up to the right height. Make sure when you install the extender, it's sealed tight with some silicone caulk around the edges to stop any leaks. Another tip is to double check that the flange is still solid on the floor and not cracked or loose. If it is, fix that first or you'll just have problems again. When putting your toilet back, tighten the bolts evenly so it sits flat without rocking. And don't forget to test for leaks by flushing a few times and watching closely underneath. One of the biggest issues is using a regular wax ring when your flange is too high. That usually leads to leaks because it won't seal properly. The fix? Grab an extra thick wax ring or one with a foam spacer to fill that gap. Another common problem is ignoring flange damage. If the flange is cracked or loose, it won't hold the toilet steady. You gotta replace or repair the flange before moving on. Lastly, over-tightening the toilet bolts can crack the porcelain or warp the flange, so just snug them up evenly and don't go crazy with force. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about fixing things like toilet flanges. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to connect with people needing real work done around their homes without all the hassle.